Hello guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Now in today's news, Presh mom talks about David. Guys, we all know from time to time the love guests in the love pad, they receive messages and voice calls or video calls from their loved ones and their parent figure. So today it was Precious' turn for her mom to talk to her. Presh Talker's mom has advised her daughter to focus on her relationship with her partner David. In a message she sent on the show and relayed to Presh in the chat room today, she said her mom told her that David is a loving and caring man. This one, the parents are already giving consent to the relationship initiated on the Ultimate Love reality TV show. It seems all might be well for both the love guests and the producers of the show. You needed to see how happy Presh was after receiving the message and how tightly she held on to David. Presh, David, your course seemed to be clear. Mommy says yes, so we should be expecting a wedding invite, right? Guys, for those of you that have been following my channel and have been giving updates, you would recall that there was a time Presh Talker and David Wilson were not really gelling. They were not really bonding because of the Rosie issue. So guys, I think even her parents are watching and they know all these things and they've seen that they've been able to do away with the Rosie and David Wilson issue and then focus more on themselves. And normally it's kind of like a weird thing for our parents to give their full consent on finding love in a reality TV show like this. It's not like in our culture. But thank God that the parents of the love guests are appreciating their effort in finding their love and also helping them to as a means of encouragement for them to focus on their love life and then build something that will last after the show. Guys, what do you think about Presh Talker's mom's advice to her? Do you think the advice is enough or there's something else that the mother did not point out? Guys, let me know what you think and other advices you might have been able to give Presh Talker in the comment section below. Thank you. And if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to get notifications when a new story drops. Thank you and stay tuned.